Well, today we are going to be working with Saltwater Plus and going to be doing a boring job. So we're going to be directional boring a water line into a house. Alright, so I got a bucket worth of sand and heading out to the job site. Alright, we're here in the customer's basement and we're going to have the boring machine come up somewhere back there. This customer is currently on a well system, but we're getting ready to put in EJ water, which is like city water. So let's go outside and see if the machine's here yet or not. This is the quality of the water straight from the well. Alright, so whenever you do a digging job, you always have to have underground utilities marked and located prior to arriving and excavating at your site. There's multiple ways per state how to get a underground utility locate request. By our state, we have where you can call into 811 and get an operator, and they ask you a whole bunch of questions about the property, and they submit the request that way. The way I do it
is I have a program that I go on the computer, and it's called RTE, or Remote Ticket Entry, and it's where I have the same screen as what the operator would have on the other end of the phone. And I took training for it, and I've got the same certifications that the operator has, and I go ahead and enter everything through the computer. You also have a way that you can do it online where you don't have to talk to an operator. Once your request has been submitted, the utility companies will have 48 hours to dispatch locators. They come to your property and they mark where the utilities are located. They will only mark the public utilities or non-private lines. If you have private lines throughout your property, you'll have to have those located by another company. So the guys have arrived with the directional boring machine. They're going to be getting it into position there and getting it lined up so it can run right next to the pit. Once they got it all lined up, they get it all leveled out and they'll begin drilling. So with a boring machine, whenever they're drilling underneath the ground so you don't have a trench. Whenever they're operating the machine, it's a two-man operation. One man is on the machine and the other is with a tracking device locating where the head is and keeping track of how far and how deep the head is. The head has a transponder on it, and this is a tracking device. So whenever he looks at this, he can tell exactly how deep the head is and which position the head is in, because the position of the head tells which way the bit is going to be going. So if it's to the left, it will veer right, and if it's to the right, it will veer left, and if it's spinning, it will go straight. And likewise for up and down. So it's just now coming through the pit, and it's right at the level it needs to be. So it's going to go on through this pit and head towards the house. So the rods that this machine uses are 10-foot length, and whenever it runs out of rod, it automatically feeds the next one, couples onto it, and sends it on into the hole.
Just slow, real slow. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Well, ran out to the shop to get a couple bricks and back out to the job site. Alright, it's another day and we're gonna go get another bucket load worth of sand. And Dad has ended up having an emergency call for no water somewhere else. So we're going to run by this job and fill in that trench from yesterday. Let's go get some stuff done. Alright, so I got the sand and heading out to the job again. There's the meter lid. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for today. I'm here in the Runaway Railroad escape room, getting ready to reset it for the next team to go through. Eventful day, and I'm glad that you could come along for the ride. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified whenever new content comes out. And the vlog is over.